What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The 17th of May. It's 4:44 in the morning on the East Coast. It's Friday, the 17th of May. We're taking a look here at Aerodrome Finance, ticker symbol AERO USD. Daily chart, Coinbase price data here. We are up in the green this morning, 1.49% according to this Coinbase chart. Guys, welcome. All of the subscribers, new, current. Thanks, guys. Bitcoin. We got Bitcoin moving up again today. It's Friday. Let's see if they can make this a very nice payday here for all of the investors, both in cryptocurrency and in the stock market. If we get a nice day on Bitcoin, a continuation, a new high here, we should see Aerodrome do very similar things. Let's talk about a couple things here that I see Aerodrome doing here. I think it's looking quite bullish right now. We need to take care of a couple things here, so let's talk about that. Let's zoom into the charts here. We have taking a step back here. If you're new to the channel, welcome, guys. We have this arrow right here. This arrow just points to our low, our higher low on the 14th of May. We got some follow through on the 15th. That was an 18.6% day higher. We put in a lower high on the 16th, but we also put in a higher low. So far today, we have a lower high and we also have a lower low. I don't think it's too much to be concerned about. It's pretty quiet trading. If we start to really drop like this, that's when I would get concerned. But things are quiet right now. Trading is tight for the price. I think this is very bullish, and I think we're getting ready for a large pop once again to the upside, taking out the highs from the 15th of May, getting us up closer to, if not beyond, the 128 level. 128 is our last area above the market as current resistance that took place on the 3rd, 4th, and 5th of May. We have a support at the 85.20, resistance at the 128. We have a higher low at 87. We're looking for a higher high above 128, taking us up towards the 136,764, as well as where I really think this market wants to go right now is up here between 153 and 156. So higher low, lower high, higher low, higher high is what I kind of see playing out here right now. We'll have to keep an eye on it if things change. And like I said, if this little sell-off starts to gain some speed, some momentum lower, we're going to reevaluate because it looks like the price wants to go lower. But right now, this little pullback here is very bullish, setting up potentially for a move higher. It's a springboard for a move higher in price. What does that look like if we take our percentage calculator here from where we're currently at, which is, where's the price currently at? 107.8. 107.8 up to the 128 is a 21% gain. 136 is a 29% gain. 153 is a 44% gain. 156 is going to put you up 47%. And that's really where I think this thing starts to break out. I really am looking for that 153 to 156 before any major real resistance. What does major resistance mean? Major resistance is short term, and something like that played out on the 3rd, 4th, and 5th of May. You get a large move up into an important level, and then we could see another consolidation. So I don't think that will take place until you get up to the 153, 156 range. Why is that? That is because we have a lot of overhead supply. Wrong level. We have a lot of overhead supply at that level. So I think that is more likely going to be an area that the price struggles for a longer period of time than just a couple days. You can see the overhead supply right here before it was broken to the downside on the 24th of April. Now, people think this is a dead cat bounce. Okay, fair enough. Everybody's allowed to share their opinion down in the comments, of course, but I don't think so. I think we obviously have a higher low in place. We don't have a higher high yet, so you have a point there. We do need to make a higher high. So we need to take out our highs from, let's see, the 15th, and then we got to take out the 128. That's what I'm looking for, and that'll really give me the, or I should say, give the Aerodrome chart the confidence it needs, and the investors who hold it a little bit more conviction that price is going to continue higher, at least up to the 153, 156. So to talk more on those who think the price is, this is a dead cat bounce and we're heading lower. Okay, let's talk about that real quick. If we do start to trade lower, what areas do you want to see broken for that confirmation that this is a dead cat bounce? Well, you want to see the 85.20 broken to the downside, and you want to see us start to get down to 79.340, and ultimately you would like to see the price drop further, getting back down to the 61s, 58.756. That's all support. So a break below 85.20 would be quite bearish, and I, as a bull, don't want to see that, and I don't think that's in play right now. I think we're stair-stepping to the upside, and we're actually closer to a very large breakout higher in price than we are closer to a very large breakdown lower in price, just based on what the chart is showing us right now. Let's do a quick jump over to Bitcoin, guys. I want to show you some Bitcoin stuff. So Bitcoin had a very large breakout higher on the 15th. That was I think it was a 7+% gain day. We have support that came in at 64,375. It came in slightly above that, but that's the level I have. So that's the level. And it got close. So far today, we have a lower high. We have a higher low. It's an inside day. We obviously want to see a new daily high. Today would be great. We don't know if we'll get it or not. And my next target above the market for Bitcoin is 68,748. 68,748 right in here. If that takes place, that's all it's going to take us above the high over here from the inverse head and shoulders. And let's continue this trend to the upside. From the percentage, that's going to look like, I call it a 4% gain higher. If Bitcoin moves up 4%, there's a very good chance that Aerodrome will be moving up potentially double-digit gains, guys. Keep your eye on 64,375 to the downside for BTC. For the upside potential, next resistance level target 68,748. Guys, thanks for watching. If you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and join us here on the channel. All members get early access to the videos, and it does help support the channel. All links down below also help support the channel. Of course, not financial advice. Feel free, share anything you'd like down in the comments. Aerodrome, where do you think the price is going? You think this is a bullish pullback here, getting ready to pop higher? Or do you think this is a dead cat bounce on the 15th and we're getting ready to drop off a cliff? What do you think? You guys have a great Friday.